Invocation. Long before the dawn of the Iron Age, the Isha verses escaped the lips of the Vedic sage. In a language worthy of gods, the Devas, the sweet hymns transcended all four Vedas. The secrets of the divine were heard, written, and saved. For the foundation of the Vedantic schools, several paths were paved. Many centuries passed, and the sacred tongue became rare. For the spirit of the scriptures, time could not wear. As a medium, I seek to bring to you the same wisdom that was beheld by the wisest few. Mother Saraswati, part the clouds, let there be rain. May the era of the Upanishads once more reign. Isha Vasya Midam Sarvam Yat Kincha Jagatyam Jagat Tena Tyaktena Bhunjitha Magrida Kasyasvit Dhanam. Enveloped by him, all that is but his. Living, non-living, in the world, everything that is. Understanding its owner, you must joyously forsake. Seek not any wealth, only what is given, you take. Kurvanneveha karmani jijivishet samah evam tvai nanyatetosti na karma lipyate nare. Performing your works in the world, one must stay, seeking to live 100 years this way. This is the only possible way for mankind, wherein, despite performing actions, no karma can bind. Asurya nama te loka andhena tamasa vritaha tanste pretyabhigachanti yeke chatmahano janaha. Post-death, to the doomed sunless dreams they attain, where only a blind darkness the beings can obtain. Accursed is the fate of those beings who kill and pollute their souls by their own will. Aneja dekam manaso javiyo nainad deva apnuvan purva marshat tat dhavato jnanat yeti tishthat tasmin napo matarishva dadhati. Fixed firmly, yet faster than mind is its tread. It is beyond the gods, and it ventures further ahead. Immotile and yet crossing all the things that run. Master of the ethereal seas of life, it is He, the One. Tadejati tannai jati tad dure tadvantike tadantarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasyasya bahyatah. That which moves and moves not, both at once. That which is very near and also is at a great distance. That which is contained within every living thing. That which also extends on the outside of everything. Yastu sarvani bhutani atmanyeva anupashyati sarva bhuteshu chatmanam tato na vijugupsate. When in all beings the self one can see and realize that in all beings the self alone can be. Whence he understands the self dwells in all beings, he gets liberated from animosity and all misunderstandings. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaivabhut vijanatah tatra ko mohaha kah shoka ekatvam anupashyatah. When the gnosis of the self's existence in all beings comes by the realization, the being enlightened becomes. Where then can the delusion or sorrow exist or be, when in all beings a oneness one can see? Sa paryagachu kramakayam avranam asnaviram shuddham apapavitra kavir manishi paribhu swayambhur yatha tathyatorthan vedadhacha shvatibhyah samabhyah. It is the Immaculate One who has transcended beyond body, evil and flaws into light. He has yonder extended from the Prophet, the realized thinker, to the Omniscient and the Self's manifestation in stages organized eons ago by the Eternal since nature's inception. Andham tamaha pravishanti ye avidyam upasate tato bhuya ivate tamo yau vidyayam rataha. Entering into a darkness deep and blind, the followers of ignorance you will find, but the rigid followers of a knowledge that is considered exclusive only sink into a condition of darkness even more elusive. Anyad evahur vidyaya anyad ahur avidyaya iti shushrumadhiranam yenastat vichachakshire. The ignorance at one end terminates, and at the other knowledge culminates. The doctrine of the awakened we have thus received, and their ancient wisdom we have heard and conceived. Vidyam cha yastad vedo bhayam saha avidyaya mrityum tirtva vidyaya amrutam ashnute. But he who integrally perceives both as one, and in knowledge and ignorance sees distinctions none, the state of death by ignorance he transcends, and by knowledge into immortality he extends. Andham tamaha pravishanti ye asambhutim upasate tato bhuya ivate tamo yau sambhutyam rataha. The state of non-birth, those who seek and pray into the dark realms devoid of light, they stray. Only that which is born, those who perceive and comprehend into even more darkness, they verily descend. Anyat eva huhu sambhavat anyadahura sambhavat iti shushrumadhiranam ye nastad vichachakshire. At one end lies that which comes from manifestation. At the other lies what becomes by dissolution. The doctrine of the awakened we have thus received, and their ancient wisdom we have heard and conceived. Sambhutincha vinashancha yastad vedo bhayam saha vinashena mrityun tirtva sambhutya mrutamashnute. He who perceives as one manifestation and dissolution, and in both sees no great distinction. In dissolution, beyond death he transcends, and in birth, immortality he experiences. and comprehends. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanapavruno satyadharmaya drishtaye. Truth's reality is always veiled by a gleaming lid of gold. It lies in a vessel concealed. This cloak, O nourisher of all life, please unveil. May the light of the eternal truth verily reveal. Pushanne karshe yama surya prajapatya yuha rashmin samuha tejo yatte rupam kalyanatamam tatte pashyami yosa vasau purushaha sohamasmi. O seer, O Father of all life, O Controller of all lives, O Son of illumination, in your golden rays every life thrives. In the luster of the most resplendent forms, empower me to recognize and see the Purusha Supreme and realize that I too am Thee. Vayuranilamamrutam adhedam bhasmantam shariram Om Krato Smara Kritam Smara Krato Smara Kritam Smara. The breath leaving the living into immortality extends, but the physical body burns to ashes and only ends. Om, O hero of action, remember the things that were done. O hero of action, forget not all that was before done. Agni Nayasupatha Raye Asman Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwan Yuyodhyas Majjuhurana Meno Bhuishtante Namauktim Vidhema. O all-knowing fire, O Lord, on the path of truth you always lead. O omniscient initiator of all material actions, please heed. Raise all the hurdles on our path, torch the vices, set us free. I give my words as offering in complete surrender to Ye.